Guys, welcome back to Mr.YouWho. Great to have you back with us today. Now today I'm really excited to be bringing to you the Lige Smart Watch, as you can see here. Now I'm so excited to be reviewing this watch is when Mr.YouWho started his videos all that time ago, he started by doing a Lige watch video. And since then it's had around 80,000 views, and it was what really launched Mr.YouWho's channel. So we thought it'd be a great idea to actually go and get the Lige Smart Watch now that we've passed 100,000 subscribers and have a look at it. See, the Lige Smart Watch here is very, very inexpensive. So it cost me about $35, I think, to buy online. So I wanted to have a look at it, unbox it, see what it was like for you guys. Now, of course, it's not going to be one of those premium watches where you go and, spend a fortune on. But I want to check whether or not it had the basic features, was comfortable enough, and was good enough just to use. And surprisingly enough, as you can see here, the actual watch did do quite well. So if you have a look there. So there's the screen on there. It's got quite a nice display, quite good functions. Water splash resistant, I'd say, probably not water resistant, but it's really, really good. So we're going to go and actually unbox the watch. We're going to go and show you some of the features so you can see what comes in it and give you our decision as to what we think of it. But all in all, a good watch, for $35, $40, you won't go wrong with it. It does work quite well. It does your blood pressure, heart monitor, can activate your phone, can you check messages on it, you can accept calls on your phone. The key thing is, like with smartwatches like the Samsung Galaxy, etc., it doesn't actually, you can't use this by itself as a watch, and you can't view photos on there, you can't reply back to messages on there. So it is a very, very basic, straightforward watch, but what you're getting for the value, for $40, it is really, really good. And you can use it for fitness tracking, you can use it to check things while you're at the gym. It's actually really good. But anyway, we'll jump in and look at some of the features in a moment. But anyway, make sure you let us know what you think of the watch. There's also links below if you wish to purchase the Lige Smart Digital Watch. Anyway, let us know what you think of our review here at Mr.YouWho. So we're taking a closer look at the Lige Smart Watch. So as you can see, here's a package. Now it's kind of nondescript package it comes with. A bit more about some of the different features it comes on. So let's just pop open and have a look at what comes in it. So there is the watch. If we open up the box, you've got the charge cable just there. And we've got the watch just there. Now, as you can see, it comes with a plastic band. It's actually quite nice and light, the watch as well. Sitting in my hands, feels quite nice. You open up as well, it comes with an instruction guide. Now, to actually pair the watch, you need to go and download the Duffit app from the App Store or Google Play, and then go and put it onto your phone as well. So that's the way to do it. Now, the charger, start with, comes with a pin there. So it took me a while to actually understand how to charge the watch. So get the charge and you actually go and put, it ties magnetic to the back of the watch there, like so. So it just connects to those two dots. Sits there, sorry, just get that right, just like that, so it connects onto it. So you just set it basically that way to do it, there. So it's connected on, and obviously you plug this into the power point. So put the charge now. It only takes a couple of hours to charge up the phone. Now they're saying the battery life lasts for 7 days. I think I got about 5 days out of it. It's actually pretty good. Let's have a look at the watch itself. So again, it comes with a plastic band. You can get metal bands of these as well, and they are detachable bands as well, so you get different colors. See the pin there comes off. Now on the back, there's a heart rate sensor, which you can use to get your blood pressure and heart rate. Talking about how I did my own and how active it is, but there it is there. Now it feels quite good quality actually for a watch in this kind of price range. Now if we turn it on, so there's the clock face. Now as you can see, it looks quite good. As you can see, it gives the time, the date. Sorry. Now I'm going to put that just down here so I don't move my hands around too much. Okay, now if you want to see all the different things on place, so you press that way and swipe that way. That gives you all the apps that appear. So you've got, some of the apps I've used, so you've got the photo one there, which allows you to take photos. So it actually takes control of your phone, which I don't want to use just at the moment. You've got another one, music. Now it allows you to take control and play music from your phone as well. The other thing is when you press these apps, it actually turns around a circle, which, to be honest, takes a little bit more time than what I would rather. So then you can just play the song on your phone. So we go back again. And you've got, say, weather. So I could tell you what the weather is. So here we are in Brisbane, Australia. And we've got showers coming up over the next couple of days. And that pretty much is the correct weather forecast. We go and have a look. So you've got things such as sports mode. So you can choose different goals. So say you want to go walking, for example. The watch goes and shows you how many steps you've done walking. Now it does pair on your companion app, which I'll show you in a moment. So it allows you to track it all on there too. And we go back. Now the steps are pretty good actually for a We'll stop that. Yes, that's fine. We don't mind that at the moment. We go back to the, so it also does, so heart rate. So let's go and try it on now. Let's go and put it on my wrist. So that it's just going to check the heart rate then. So checking your heart rate. It also does blood pressure as well, which you did earlier. So you let it read the heart rate. Now it does actually seem to read this quite well. I've tried other cheaper devices in the past and haven't read very, very effectively. So there's 69 beats per minute, which is in the low heart rate zone, which is good. So you press that as well. It also does like blood pressure, see light, blood pressure, stuff like that. So if we press that and we go to, I think it was that one, that's the steps I've done. So if you press the steps and how many calories I've burnt walking around, there's a thermometer, that's the blood pressure. So you press that. So what it does is it reads your blood pressure. So you can see kind of how, now to be honest, I would actually get if I was using this to measure my blood pressure ongoing, I would actually go and get a blood pressure monitor. I wouldn't necessarily rely just on this, but it does give you an idea about what it can do. So there it is, just measuring away now. And there you go, 137/78, which is in the normal range. So you see it's got a number of different basic features as well. It does give you messaging as well, so let you know if a message comes through. So if you swipe down as well, see you've got different settings, so you can do vibration on and off. You can do a light, which actually brings a light on, which we don't want at the moment. Again, you can turn off vibration, turn down brightness. So you can have all these features. Let's actually just reduce the brightness in. Sorry guys, I'll just pick that back up. So go brightness, turn it right up like that. And you can see your messages down below as well. So down here, so no messages obviously at the moment, but it does give you Facebook notifications and stuff like that. So yeah, quite good. Let's go and jump in and have a look at the app quickly and show what happens on that. So here's the app. So as you can see, you can change different things. So you can change your watch face. You can put notifications on there. So where you want to actually notify you of. So say you want notification of phone calls, allow, also Facebook. So it'll give you notifications as they come in. You can do accordingly. You can put an alarm on. So you can set an alarm for the watch to vibrate. So the app's quite good. It's got quite basic functions, but then again, that's all you need for this app. And also tracks, as I said, all about your workouts. So there's your steps, your sleep, your heart rate. So it actually tracks it as well. So yeah, quite good. Quite good functionality, as I say, for such an inexpensive watch. Okay, what do you guys think in the end? Well, as you can see, by the watch's functions, it has got quite a lot of function on there. So even on the camera screen, you can still see a lot of different functions on there. Now, I think for $40, you're getting a lot of value. I mean, really, it is very, very cheap. You're getting a lot packed into the watch. And if you want to go for the functions where you can do your voice calls, your photos, stuff like that, reply message on your phone, then all in all, go for a more expensive watch like the Samsung Galaxy. But the watch works really well. The app as a companion piece is quite good. It seemed to be quite on with the heart rate and blood pressure. It didn't seem to be that far off, but then again, I wouldn't be using it for medical purposes. I'll just use it to do a quick check. But I really, really enjoy using it. So again, if you wish to purchase a watch, there's links below. Again, it's been a quick video today. I don't spend too much time on it. Just want to give you guys a quick view and see what you think. And also, if you want to check out other watch reviews, which we did in the past, but make sure you let us know what you think. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at Mr.YouWho.